Man, it is beautiful weather out there today. This is like Targa roof off driving around kind of weather. But we're gonna focus on Nardo. Man, I just washed this thing already with the pollen. I love this time of year, but dude, the pollen just sucks. But today, we are gonna do the 6-month update on the Clean by Pan the Organizer ceramic spray sealant. So let's talk about how this is held up. About 6 months ago, not quite 6, but close enough to make this video, did a test of new at the time products, Clean by Pan the Organizer. So I figured a lot of detailing channels would probably get, these products, probably all of them or whatever, and really put them through their paces and get like real in-depth analysis and everything like that, really get into the technical details and the chemistry. I'm not really in that department. I'm not a detailing professional, more like a hobbyist / enthusiast, but I thought it would be interesting to approach a test and review of this in the context of, like, say somebody who's not a detailing enthusiast, who just needs a couple of products to get their car cleaned up, what would you buy? And so out of, the initial offerings, I thought that a shampoo, a tire dressing for your tires, of course, and then a ceramic spray sealant to protect the paint, make it look super glossy would be the most likely combination of products somebody who isn't super into detailing is probably going to buy. So again, check that video out. Did a pretty thorough test and initial impressions and all that stuff. But one of the comments in that video, which by the way was pretty well received, I think, so appreciate all you guys who liked and commented and got, who subscribed from it and everything like that. One of the comments suggested doing a 1-month follow-up on these products, which I thought was a great idea, just not quite at a month. So for one, shampoo, there's nothing to follow up there. The tire dressing is rated to last for about a month, but I kind of figured tire dressing, I don't know. It's not really something that I think of to see how it holds up, like after I take the car for a drive or something. But I figured most people, myself included, would be interested to see how the ceramic spray sealant holds up, but not in a month. For the first 2 weeks after Nardo was cleaned, Nardo or 2018 M3, that was a test subject for this video, it sat in the driveway or in the garage for about 2 weeks after the video. So I didn't really think it was a fair test to just, have it just sit in the garage untouched and then, maybe run a couple of errands and then do a review on it. And I thought it would be better, more accurate to do something like, I thought 6 months would be a good check-in. Now, the way that I applied the sealant was the method that advertised would get you up to 12 months of protection. Get your car completely dry. Again, 2 to 3 sprays per panel, buff it in, follow it up with another, microfiber towel, and really get it worked into the paint, and that's gonna give you the best amount of protection. Now, this is not really like a super scientific, accurate test on any level for a couple of reasons. One, I did not wash Nardo the entire time since that video. So it's been just about 6 months, did not wash the car. Now, you could make the argument that every time you wash the car, you're gonna chip away at that coating just a little bit. Now, if you're doing a maintenance wash with a pH neutral soap, that does not harm or disturb any coatings. But over time, washing the car a lot, it's gonna diminish it a little bit. So it did not wash the car. But the other thing is that on the opposite end of that spectrum, the paint was not at its purest form for any kind of a coating, right? So if you're going to apply a wax, a ceramic spray sealant, or a ceramic coating, you don't really have to do it with a ceramic spray sealant, but if you're, a coating or anything like that on the paint, it's best to decontaminate the car, do your iron remover, do the clay barring, all that kind of stuff, and then apply something that is gonna coat the paint. But again, that's not normal. That's not how most people who aren't detailers or into detailing are gonna handle it. So I tried to find a balance in that. I don't know if that was it, but here's where we're at. So let's look at how the water reacted to the car before I did anything to it. So this is before the contact wash or anything like that. Hit it with a pressure washer and you can see the water just falls off the paint. It's insane. It barely retains any water on a vertical surface. You hit it, it just falls off. And again, the car is dirty, right? It's got 6 months of dirt. It didn't spend all its time in the garage. It was outside, it's got plenty of road time. So it was sufficiently dirty for our test. And again, the water just falls off the paint. So pretty impressive. So then I did the contact wash, I think between, the ceramic spray sealant that was still on the paint and the slickness of the Kokemi Gentle Snow Foam that I always use, you could tell the paint was pretty slick. So got through the contact wash, rinsed the car down, and then hit it with a leaf blower to dry it off, and actually went through and did another round of this stuff on it. The leaf blower test, now this is where I think you gotta manage expectations a little bit, because again, a ceramic spray sealant sits somewhere between a waxing and a ceramic coating, right? So with the one end you have waxing, that's, you know, the old school, which I don't know, I'm old school. I love waxing. I love that warm glow from a wax, which by the way, I don't even really know what that means, but like, it's just something about a wax car is kind of awesome. But that's gonna give you about 1 to 2 months, give or take, you know, protection. And at the complete opposite end of that spectrum, you have a ceramic coating, which depending on what you get, could be a year, could be 3 years. I know Pan's got one that's advertised as a 7-year coating. I don't even know what is involved in that, but nonetheless, you're gonna get at least a year, if not more, of like insane paint protection from a ceramic coating. So a ceramic spray sealant sits somewhere in the middle, and again, it depends on how you apply it, that depends on how much durability you get, but in terms of performance, when it comes to like water sheeting off of it and water, you know, being flung off it, I suppose, with a leaf blower, you're somewhere in the middle in that territory. So I think that from a water sheeting off perspective, unbelievable performance. With using a leaf blower, you can see that there was a reaction there. Like you can see that the water is like resting on top of something coated on the paint, but it's not gonna be as good as a ceramic coating. It is not gonna get flung off the car. If anything, I would say that using a leaf blower, it was ushered sufficiently off the paint, which I guess would probably be the best way to put that. The water was ushered off the paint. There you go. So anyway, yeah, you're still gonna have to follow it up with a microfiber towel, or you're gonna have to use a lot of that leaf blower battery, or you know, whatever. But you probably wanna follow it up with a microfiber towel and do a drying aid, you know, follow it up with another round of the ceramic spray sealant, whatever it is, but I don't think you're gonna get it 100% dry purely on a leaf blower, because again, the performance is not gonna be like that of a true ceramic coating. So again, kind of manage those expectations. Now, in terms of how much of this stuff I actually used, let's double check real quick, but probably around the dot. So this is 2 uses on a sedan and 2 to 3 sprays per panel, not on glass, which you can do glass, I just didn't. So there you go, about there. Actually, I don't remember if I did glass on the first round. In any case, about 2 rounds of this stuff, and you're right about there. So I don't know, you probably got maybe 5 or 6 more out of this bottle, maybe 7. And so, you know, how does this fare well in terms of how it was marketed, which is a top tier product at a pretty competitive price in terms of like other products in the industry? And I mean, you figure this bottle was 24 bucks. You're gonna get, I don't know, somewhere between maybe 6 to 10, you know, uses out of it, or, you know, treatments out of it, depending on how big your car is. I don't know, man. I think this was fantastic. I love how it performed. I think the water sheeting off this thing was some of the craziest stuff I've seen so far in reaction to a product, even with a waxed car. I have never ceramic coated a car, so like I've seen obviously videos of how that performs and everything like that. Haven't gotten there yet, mainly just do waxing. But in terms of the water performance on this, it was ridiculous. And for the leaf blower on it, I thought it was good. Not mind-blowing, but I thought it was good, right? You got the water off the paint sufficiently, and it wasn't too much effort to come back behind it with a towel and finish it up, especially if you're gonna do another round of this stuff or a drying aid or whatever you're gonna do. All right, guys, well, that is the 6-month follow-up to the Clean by Pan the Organizer Ceramic Spray Sealant. So hope you guys enjoyed this one. I think this is worth checking out. No, I did not get paid for this video or the original video, and I bought all this stuff. Not that I don't think that you can give an honest review even if you got products for free, but nonetheless, yeah, so this stuff I think is worth checking out. $24 a bottle, smells fantastic, but most of all the performance. Like, again, see how that water just falls off the car? Definitely worth checking this stuff out. If you have tried this, if you do try it, come back. Or if you've tried any of the other Clean by Pan the Organizer products, definitely let me know what you think. Super interested in that feedback. I will leave a link to this stuff in the description below. And in the meantime, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.